So much unused conduit laying around. I mean, you don't have to have conduit, but it's there for the taking. And we got this conduit. I don't even know. I guess you can wire this thing up 2 ways. Yeah. It's definitely rigid conduit. Definitely rigid conduit. I've just never seen one get wired through there. It's always on the top. Anyway, I'll just chalk this up to one of life's mysteries. Mysteries of the unknown. I do like that little turn down at the end. That'll really help when you're shoving wire up in there. Just really getting it right in there. Oh, this is the kind of water heater too where somebody will tell you like, that was installed by a plumber. What are you talking about? Unprofessional install. That thing was installed by licensed, Harvard-educated union plumber with 76 years experience. Oh, I love it.